This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Enerin to install 1.2 megawatts, HoegTemp high-temperature heat pump. Using helium at a Roche Switzerland facility, by Michael Hines. Published October 2nd, 2025. Norwegian manufacturer Enerin has announced that it will supply a 1.2 megawatt, 341 terawatt hours, high-temperature heat pump using helium to pharmaceutical company Roche Switzerland that will produce steam for the chemical production process at its Basel/Kaiseraugst facility. The HoegTemp heat pump, a V12 model, will be installed during the first half of 2026 and will produce steam year-round at a pressure of 6 bar, 87 psi, with a delivery temperature of 171 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. It will use waste heat between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, 86 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, from a cooling circuit as a heat source during the summer, and river water at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, 36 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit, in the winter. The heat pump will also provide cooling. The temperature lift from 2 to 171 degrees Celsius will occur in a one-step process, according to the company. This is enabled by the HoegTemp heat pump's design, which uses a Stirling system. Helium is repeatedly compressed and expanded in a closed loop via double-acting pistons, with the gas never changing state. The COP is projected to be 1.5 in winter and significantly higher in summer, according to an Enerin LinkedIn post. Ramping up installations, Enerin installed its first HoegTemp high-temperature heat pump in 2023 at a biogas facility near Stavanger, Norway. That unit has a capacity of 400 kilowatts, 113.7 terajoules, and produces 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, steam. In 2024, Enerin installed a 400 kilowatt HoegTemp heat pump at a GE healthcare medical manufacturing site in Lindesnes, Norway, to produce 140 degrees Celsius, 284 degrees Fahrenheit, steam. In February, the company installed the first of 2 HoegTemp units at a seafood processing plant in Moløy, Norway. The 2 heat pumps will total 1.6 megawatts, 455 tons of refrigeration, and will make steam at 150 to 250 degrees Celsius, 302 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. System specs. The HoegTemp high-temperature heat pump can lift heat from sources as low as minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, to 250 degrees Celsius, 482 degrees Fahrenheit, according to the manufacturer. In addition to steam, hot water and thermal oil can also be supplied. The heat pump can be stopped immediately and increase its output from 40 to 100% in seconds, and from 0 to 100% in minutes, per Enerin. Coming to America. Naturalrefrigerants.com spoke with Trond Atle Asfjell, COO of Enerin, during the Empire Technology Prizes award ceremony held in New York City on September 19th. Enerin was a finalist in the competition, which was designed to advance building technologies for low-carbon heating system retrofits and save energy and costs in tall commercial and multifamily buildings in New York State. Asfjell said Enerin is in the process of obtaining UL certification for the HoegTemp high-temperature heat pump. He added that the company is talking with Columbia University about a potential installation. Quotable: the implementation of Enerin's HoegTemp high-temperature heat pump at the Roche Basel and Kaiseraugst site demonstrates a strong commitment to decarbonization and aligns perfectly with the goal of achieving net zero CO2 emissions in the energy supply, said Pascal Roof, head of site infrastructure engineering at F. Hoffman La Roche, in a LinkedIn post.